On 3/11/11, a nuclear power plant in Japan exploded, spreading radiation into the area and making it very dangerous to be anywhere near there. The power plant contains something called nuclear waste. Nuclear waste is very dangerous and has to be taken care of properly and quickly. But before we talk about how we are going to stop it, you must know its origins and the impact it has on the environment. The nuclear waste comes from the nuclear fuel cycle. Nuclear weapons, legacy, medical, and industrial wastes, and naturally occurring radioactive materials, or NORM for short. The nuclear fuel cycle has 3 steps to find and safely reprocess or dispose of radioactive materials. The steps are called the front end, surface period, and the back end. The front end is basically mining and milling the materials. Milling turns uranium into U3O8, while mining is practically just digging. The service period is transporting the uranium. Lastly, back end is storing, reprocessing, or disposing the wastes. NORM processes materials like coal, oil, gas, and anything that has natural radioactivity. If a nuclear power plant explodes, it will have devastating effects on the environment. The waste from the plant can cause radiation sickness to thousands of people and animals. This could also cause cancer to people who are exposed to the waste. This is not good for any endangered species too, because they are already dying out. And now more are going to die, decreasing the population even more. This will probably end with thousands or even billions of people dying. Now that you know the origins and the impact, we can now talk about solving the problem. Reusing the waste is possible, but there's a more popular theory to get rid of it for good. Space disposal! Space disposal permanently removes waste from the Earth's or planet's environment, but this would pollute the stars/space then. And if aliens are out there, what would they think of us then? It would probably cause an invasion or an attack on Earth. Okay, I'm just kidding, but it still could happen. Also, a just as serious problem is, what if a shuttle that is carrying the waste to space explodes? It could spread the radioactive materials all over the atmosphere on the planet. This could be the next or even the last extinction on Earth. I actually do have an opinion on how to dispose of the waste. Using the waste as fuel could work, but could pollute and kill people. Space disposal could cause a mass extinction. Reusing them may be too dangerous, but maybe we could get rid of it for good. Somehow, some chemical or chemicals could eliminate the wastes properly, or at least get rid of the radioactivity. I am predicting that someday someone will find chemicals that could dispose of the wastes forever. In conclusion, radioactive wastes are very dangerous and should be disposed properly and safely. If not, there could be serious consequences. But nature can also ruin everything, just as it did in Japan. So we can never be 100% safe with nuclear power plants and the radioactive wastes in them. But we should try our best to keep it safe around the radioactive waste. Materials.